I am Krunal Ramanoj. I heartily welcome to all at GS World Insight. Today we are discussed about various organization and its headquarter. Our first question is, where is the headquarter of United Nations Security Council, UNSC? Your options are A. New York, B. Washington DC, C. Geneva, D. Sydney. Correct answer is New York. Next question. Where is the headquarter of United Nations Organization? The options are A. Geneva, B. New York, C. Sydney, D. London. Correct answer is New York. Next question. Where is the headquarter of International Monetary Fund IMF? The options are A. London, B. Berlin, C. Moscow, D. Washington DC. Correct answer is Washington DC. Next question. Where is the headquarter of World Health Organization WHO? The options are A. Paris, B. Ottawa, C. Geneva, D. Vienna. Correct answer is Geneva. Next question. Where is the headquarter of International Labour Organization ILO? The options are A. Geneva, B. Vienna, C. Sydney, D. Abu Dhabi. Correct answer is Geneva. Next question. Where is the headquarter of World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO? Your options are A. Vienna, B. Geneva, C. Washington DC, D. Sydney. Correct answer is Geneva. Next question. Where is the headquarter of United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO? The options are A. Berlin, B. Dubai, C. Paris, D. New York. Correct answer is Paris. Next question. Where is the headquarter of Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development OECD? The options are A. Kuala Lumpur, B. Washington DC, C. New Delhi, D. Paris. Correct answer is Paris. Next question. Where is the headquarter of International Atomic Energy Agency IAEA? The options are A. Vienna, B. Kuala Lumpur, C. Dubai, D. New York. Correct answer is Vienna. Next question. Where is the headquarter of Organization for Petroleum Exporting Countries OPEC? The options are Vienna, B. Dubai, C. Abu Dhabi, D. Moscow. Correct answer is Vienna. Next question. Where is the headquarter of International Maritime Organization IMO? The options are A. Sydney, B. Oslo, C. London, D. Colombo. Correct answer is London. Next question. Where is the headquarter of Commonwealth of Nations? Your options are A. London, B. Ottawa, C. Vienna, D. Geneva. Correct answer is London. Where is the headquarter of Food and Agricultural Organization FAO? Your options are A. New Delhi, B. Abu Dhabi, C. Kuala Lumpur, D. Rome. Answer is Rome. Where is the headquarter of North Atlantic Treaty Organization NATO? Your options are A. Vienna, B. Brussels, C. Geneva, D. Washington DC. Correct answer is Brussels. Next question. Where is the headquarter of Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation APEC APEC? Your options are A. Rome, B. Sydney, C. Tokyo, D. Queenstown. Correct answer is Queenstown, Singapore. Next question. Where is the headquarter of International Renewable Energy Agency? Your options are A. New Delhi, B. London, C. Abu Dhabi, D. Paris. Correct answer is Abu Dhabi. Next question. Where is the headquarter of South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation? Your options are A. Kathmandu, B. New Delhi, C. Beijing, D. Kuala Lumpur. Correct answer is Kathmandu, Nepal. Next question. Where is the headquarter of International Olympic Committee? Your options are A. Lausanne, B. Paris, C. London, D. Madrid. Correct answer is Lausanne, Switzerland. Next question. Where is the headquarter of World Economic Forum? WEF. Your options are A. Madrid, B. Cologne, C. Rome, D. Vienna. Correct answer is Cologne, Switzerland. Next question. Where is the headquarter of United Nations Environment Program UNEP? Your options are A. Paris, B. New Delhi, C. Perth, D. Nairobi. Correct answer is Nairobi, Kenya. Next question. Where is the headquarter of United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees UNHCR? Your options are A. Geneva, B. Nairobi, C. Perth, D. New York. Correct answer is Geneva. Next question. Where is the headquarter of United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime UNODC? Your options are A. Geneva, B. Vienna, C. Tokyo, D. Dubai. Correct answer is Vienna. Next question. Where is the headquarter of United Nations World Tourism Organization UNWTO? Your options are A. Paris, B. Oslo, C. Abu Dhabi, D. Madrid. Correct answer is Madrid, Spain. Next question. Where is the headquarter of International Court of Justice ICJ? Your options are A. Barcelona, B. Venice, C. The Hague, Netherlands, D. Hamburg. Correct answer is The Hague, Netherlands. Next question. Where is the headquarter of World Food Program, WFP? Your options are A. Hamburg, B. Brasilia, C. New York, D. Rome. Correct answer is Rome. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel GS World Insight. Thank you.